Do the past, present, and future all exist at once? Are you watching this video being born and lying on your deathbed simultaneously? Surprisingly, the answer could be yes. But how is that possible? What does it even mean? And how does time really work? Imagine the universe as a child painting pictures on sheets of paper. Each picture captures everything happening in the universe in a single moment. With each new moment, countless things occur everywhere. People are born, others die, and civilizations expand. It's as if the universe child creates a new picture to replace the old one. In this way, it's like a movie, where only the present moment is real. The past is gone, and the future hasn't been drawn yet. This is how time usually feels, each moment replacing the last. But what if time is different from how we perceive it? What if the universe child has already finished all its drawings and stacked them on top of each other? Instead of moments passing by, we get a block of time that contains the entire history of the universe. In this block, all moments, past, present, and future, exist at the same time. This may feel wrong, because we only perceive what's happening now as real. But according to the theory of relativity, this idea might actually be true. Relativity tells us that space and time are connected into a single entity called spacetime. As you move through space, you also move through this block of time. This means time passes differently for different people, depending on how they move through space relative to each other. Your now is just one slice of the block, but someone else could experience a different now based on their movement. This leads to the surprising conclusion. There's no universal past or future, just many nows. To understand this better, imagine 3 alien spaceships a million light years away. One is stationary relative to you, so you both share the same now. If you had a magical internet connection, you could chat in real time. The second spaceship is flying away at 30 km/h, and its now is different. It could be talking to your ancestors in 1924. The third spaceship is flying towards you at the same speed, and it could be chatting with your descendants in 2124. All of these nows are equally real. So, which now is correct? Well, relativity's principle of cosmic democracy says that all observers' points of view are equally valid. This means your past, present, and future all exist simultaneously in some sense. The distinction between past, present, and future might just be an illusion. The universe isn't evolving like a movie, but rather exists as a static block where everything is already decided. But if that's true, is the future already written? And if so, can we really make choices? It feels like we have free will, that our decisions shape the future. However, if the future is set in stone, then free will might be an illusion. But there's a catch: quantum mechanics. Quantum processes are unpredictable, even in principle. No matter how much we try, we can never predict exactly when a radioactive atom will decay, for example. Since quantum events are random, they introduce an element of uncertainty into the universe. So if the future is uncertain, it can't be set in stone like the past, which suggests the future isn't as fixed as we thought. This leads us to another possibility. Instead of the universe being a frozen block of time, it might be a growing block. The future isn't already written, but is constantly being created as uncertain events like quantum decay happen. You can shape your future, so maybe leave a little earlier to avoid missing the bus. To recap, we started by thinking of time as a series of moments, with only the present being real. Then, we learned that relativity suggests multiple nows are real at once, possibly leading to a block universe where nothing changes. But thanks to quantum mechanics, we end up with a dynamic, growing block universe where the future is open and your choices matter. So, which is the correct view? Is the present real? The past? Are dinosaurs just as real as you are now? Ultimately, no one knows for sure. There are many ideas about time, and we've explored 2 possibilities here. Some scientists even argue that time doesn't exist at all. It might just be an illusion created by our minds. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching and keep exploring.